Morning, my friends. I just had to make a video of this. Have a look. And yes, this is not Denmark. You're right. My boss have asked me to go to Norway to work for a couple of weeks. The company I work for, they have sister companies both in Norway, Sweden and Iceland. And the sister company in Norway needed some extra people, and my boss asked me if I could go here. It's Saturday, and I arrived to this place. I'm parked up here, this way, approximately somewhere between 100 and 200 meters that way, in a parking lot. I'll show you later. And I arrived last night. Was really tired after a 10 hours work day. I was driving the forklift all day yesterday, so I was kind of busted. But then to arrive to see this, so beautiful. I'm crazy about it. Norway is such a beautiful country. But Monday I'm working another place than I was working Thursday, Friday. The place I'm working Monday, well, the entire next week actually. I have a colleague who worked there as well, and it's gonna be interesting to go to that shop. I just wanted to show you this beautiful area. Too bad the water is really cold, else it would be nice to go for a dip, but I'm way too squeamish for cold water to do that. So beautiful. There's a small fishing boat, you know. One of the things, I totally love Denmark. Denmark is a beautiful country, and it's my country, and I love it. But there's one thing about Denmark, no matter where, almost no matter where you go in Denmark, you can always hear traffic in the background. There's some few places where you can't, but... And then go to a place like this, and it's only sound you can hear is nature. I think I'm gonna go over the top of this small hill and see what's on the other side. Sorry if the wind is destroying the sound on this video, but let's see. time to go back to the breeze. Looks like another camper has arrived. There was another camper van stayed overnight, and also the small car at the end of the parking lot. But the factory camper that's parked over there is newly arrived. Oh well. I made a couple of changes to the breeze inside. I'll show you. Oh yeah, it's so dirty. Oh yeah, by the way, you see this? The door ding. Gonna have it fixed when I come back to Denmark. Someone slammed their door and you see, I used to have a curtain here between the driver's cab and the back. Now I have sliding instead of a curtain. I think that works better. And then this here I put on the floor to close off the bottom. It's better than the curtain. But another thing, you see, I removed the ceiling, because there was the ceiling and then there was space in between, which made a lot of condensation. So I removed that and I put, this here is Amaflex. It's kind of 2 centimeter thick insulation. I put that so I don't have the problem with condensation from the ceiling. And also it dampens noise. And then you see under the mirror, that's my dash cam and also backup camera. See if I can show you outside. Got the small camera here. You see right there, small camera. Because it can be kind of difficult when I want to back up, because when I want to reverse into a parking lot or something like that, because it's hard to see. Now you can see here, it's not finished. I need to make some insulation of the walls as well. And yeah, it would have been easier to make that before I put all the furniture in here, but it's okay. I'll take care of that later. And you see here the electrical connections for everything. And actually the cable hanging down here, that is the for the control box for the climate control in the back of the breeze. I have all the controls is in the back, and I need a box to mount the whole thing into. So, but when I find something I can use, I will install it. And I think I will install it here right next to the lamp, so the one who sit in the back can, if anyone, well, there's someone in there. And then this here cable is the connection cable from the camera, the backup camera. And it goes all the way up in front to the display. I'm just gonna hang out and enjoy myself here for a little while, and then I'm gonna drive on. I'm going to a place called Egersund. I think it's called. Anyway, I'm going further up the coast to the place where I work Monday, but obviously I'm not going there already now. I will Sunday. Yeah, well, that being tomorrow, tomorrow afternoon I will drive there. Good afternoon, my friends. I arrived, sorry about the wind. I arrived at the spot I'm gonna be parked tonight. The breeze is parked down there, down the road. I just went to have a look at this. It's a hydroelectric power plant. See the water here. See if I can walk down to the water's edge without getting in trouble. See the water's coming out there, and it's actually coming down from the mountains in a pipe. There was a sign over here explaining that the water is falling. The water is falling 63 meters and the pipe is 1.6 meter. The length of the pipe is 450 meters, and there's how much energy the plant produces. 17.5 gigawatt an hour. What is that? 17.5 gigawatt hour a year. And yes, there is a bit of a hum from the building. Down where I'm parked, it's not too bad. And then actually there are wind turbines up on the top of the mountains as well. Here's where the pipes come into the power station, and there's two pipes. And you see the pipes, they go up into the mountains. So the pipe go up the mountain and drain a lake up there, and then come down here into the power plant to produce electricity. Here you see where I'm parked with the view out over the water. I arrived on this gravel road, and some places it's crazy steep. It's just, this is truly, I've been in serious mountainous areas today, you know. Some of the road was like switchback turns and yeah, crazy road today. Let's see if I can get some of the footage out from my dash cam and show you. Yeah, beautiful area. And over there is where the power plant is. Cooking some food. Here we got some tofu and some vegetarian sausages and eggs and corn. That's my dinner for tonight. There we are. Time to eat. So I sit here in the driver's seat so I can enjoy the view out the windscreen and eat my dinner. Morning, my friends. It's Sunday morning and I had a great night of sleep. Very quiet on this spot and very dark. I have gone for a walk to the top of the mountains. This is the water that drives the hydroelectric plant down I showed you earlier in this video. Looks very beautiful, right? Well, let me turn around and show you the pipes. I'm on the top of the dam, and there you see the pipes going all the way down to the building down there. And also it's all the way down there that the breeze is parked. Let me go a little bit down to that bridge. Well, this is typical Norway. Why put stairs and handrails and stuff like that? People in this country, they're used to mountains. But, well, wearing Crocs, I think I'll be alright. Yeah. You see, the gate down here is locked with a chain, but the small gate that you can walk through is open. Oh yeah. There's a spillway to take the overflow, and then the two pipes. One very big and one a little bit smaller. I guess the water used to run down this way here before they made the hydroelectric plant. Oh, there's fish down in that pond. Plenty of fish actually. Anyway, the whole thing here was built in 1939. I'll just walk up further. Maybe something. Maybe there's a neat view from up there. I believe so. So beautiful here. Well, with this background, I think I'm gonna end this video. I need to go back down the mountain and get driving. I need to get to that town I talked about soon, because I need to stay at a campground tonight so I can get a shower. There is a public pool in the town, but it's only open on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday or something like that. So that's not an option, and I need to have a shower before I go work tomorrow morning. So I will actually go to the campground and stay there tonight, have a shower and stuff, you know, so then I can find out more about the town when I'm there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and actually after the outro here, after saying goodbye, I'm gonna put some of the dash cam recordings. So if you want to watch that, some of the crazy driving from Norway, just keep watching, and if not, well, that's all up to you. You guys take care, and remember, life is good. Bye bye.